Hi, this is Barney again, and today we're looking at the iris plant. This is the one, I don't see anything on it to say, oh, here we go, right in front of my eyes. I'm going blind here, Mom. Alright, today we're looking at the iris plant, and I think it's referred to as a walking iris, and I guess this is one prime example of what the walking iris means about it. It tends to put out a spat. I'll call everything that comes out from the plant other than the leaf, I call a spat. And most of the spats will have some variety of flowers on them. And this flower, as you can see, is why they call it the walking plant. It has a tendency to drop down, and as you can see from here, just let me look at the little level over here. See that little section? This will basically, let me see how you do it. It will drop off. It will force the drop off right here. So we'll just boom. We will boom. Break it off. So there we go. Let me get it on my other finger. And this is what they call the walking, because once the plant drops down to, sorry about that. When the plants drop down to the soil, this little section will eventually pop off and adapt to the soil. And as you can see, there's two plants here. There's one on the bottom of my thumb and one on the top of my thumb. And they are basically two individual plants that will sit there, fall into the soil, and adapt and adjust and set out roots and become another iris. Hence, that's why it's called the walking iris. And let me just show you my little friends. This goes back to years ago. I came across these and I just keep them in a garden. The Chinese bring a little luck. Like that's my Chinese money plant. Here's my little Chinese figurines. I keep them in the garden all the time because they more or less bring luck to my little assortment of greenery. And one's a Buddha. I have 5 of them. 2 of them are other places in the garden, but they keep my little plants a little lucky. So that's it. A little Chinese luck doesn't hurt anybody, especially that guy in DC could use it. Alright, so that's it. I'm only signing off here. Thank you for stopping by. Please like the video. We're going through all the plants that are growing in the Doherty garden, and we're getting I had a little hiccup because I had to update my computer with the new Microsoft. I had Microsoft 8, and I think I got Microsoft 10. Since I have a little bug on my computer, it took more or less like 5 hours for us to adapt. So, still having my problems with advanced software, but we'll get there one day at a time. So, like I said, please like the video, and we'll promise to videotape everything that's in the garden. Bye-bye.